Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. As we drive along River Road near Darrow, Louisiana, we're following one of the oldest and most historically significant routes in the state. Officially known as Louisiana Highway 44, River Road traces the natural curve of the Mississippi River, connecting a series of communities that developed long before modern highways existed. This stretch of road runs through Ascension Parish, an area settled in the 18th century because of its fertile soil and direct access to the river. Long before paved roads, the Mississippi was the primary transportation corridor. Plantations, farms, and river landings lined the banks, and what we now call River Road originally developed as a series of paths linking these properties together. Near Darrow, the landscape reflects that plantation-era history. Large estates once dominated this area, producing sugarcane that was shipped downriver to New Orleans. One of the most well-known surviving examples is Huma's House, located just upriver from Darrow. By the 19th century, it had become one of the largest sugar plantations in Louisiana. Like others in the region, it relied on enslaved labor prior to the Civil War, a reality that shaped both the economy and population of the river parishes. During the Civil War, control of the Mississippi River was a major strategic objective. Union forces worked to dominate river traffic, cutting off supply lines and weakening the Confederacy. While this area did not see major battlefield engagements, plantations along River Road were affected by troop movement, confiscation of goods, and economic disruption. Flooding has always been a defining challenge here. The Mississippi River sits just beyond the levee you see alongside the road. After repeated floods, especially the devastating flood of 1927, the federal government expanded and strengthened levee systems along the river. These structures changed life along River Road, offering protection while also separating communities from direct river access. In the 20th century, this corridor began to change again. While agriculture remained important, industrial development expanded along parts of the river drawn by deep water access and transportation infrastructure. Despite that growth, stretches near Darrow remain largely rural, preserving the visual character of cane fields, open land, and historic properties. Driving along River Road today offers a slower, more reflective view of Louisiana. This isn't a route built for speed. It follows the river's curves, passing through places shaped by centuries of labor, trade, flooding, and adaptation.